His name is Ryan. He worked as a data analyst in a tech company. His job was simple, but essential. Collecting data, analyzing it, and writing reports to help management make decisions. Every day, the same routine. Until one day, everything changed. He was fired because of AI. The same tool he used at work was the one that replaced him. A single system could now analyze data faster, write reports with higher accuracy, and deliver results in seconds instead of hours. In one moment, he became unnecessary. One email. "We regret to inform you." No warning, no second chance. Just the end. But what happened next changed everything. Instead of fighting AI, he decided to use it. He started learning the same tools that replaced him, but this time, not as an employee, but as a system builder. After weeks of trial and failure, he understood the game. Companies don't need more workers. They need faster results. That's where he found the opportunity. He built a simple system. It takes data, analyzes it, and generates reports in minutes. Then he started selling it as a service. Not to one company, but to many at the same time. 6 months later, Ryan was no longer looking for a job. He was making over $20,000 a month, working alone, no team, no office, no employees. Same person, same skills, but this time, he owned the tool. And this is where everything changes. In the past, he was selling his time. Now, he builds systems. Systems that work instead of him. He is no longer an employee. He is a system architect. And here's the truth. His story is not unique. In 2026, AI didn't just change jobs. It started deleting them. But this isn't the first time. Every technological shift follows the same pattern. Machines replaced labor. Automation replaced operators. And now, AI is replacing decision-making. Now, the real question is not, is AI changing the market? But, how can you use it? Imagine this. Instead of looking for a job, you build systems. Systems that work for businesses. Systems that work for you. And eventually, systems that make money while you sleep. And this is the shift nobody prepared you for. There are only two types of people now. Those who wait and those who act. AA is not just a threat, it's a massive opportunity. So the real question is, are you going to be replaced? Or are you going to use the same tool to rise? I've put together a list of the 3 specific AI tools Ryan used in the description below. Check them out and tell me which one seems the most powerful to you. Tell me in the comments, are we in an AI bubble or a revolution that will change everything? Don't forget to subscribe